Cassini, a silent traveller, spent 13 years exploring Saturn, revealing wonders we had only dreamed of. On September 15, 2017, Cassini sent its final signals, a last whisper across the void. With fuel low, Cassini dove into Saturn's atmosphere, protecting its moons and sending back breathtaking images. Its final act was not just a farewell, but a promise of more wonders to come. The Cassini mission was a triumph of engineering and international collaboration. NASA, ESA and the Italian Space Agency joined forces to send Cassini to Saturn, carrying the Huygens probe for Titan. Launched in 1997, Cassini used gravity assists to reach Saturn in 2004. Once in orbit, Cassini studied Saturn, its rings and moons, capturing stunning images and data. Cassini revealed Titan's surface and Saturn's atmosphere, extending its mission to 13 years. Cassini's legacy transformed our understanding of Saturn and began a new era in planetary exploration. Cassini's grand finale was a series of daring orbits through the gap between Saturn and its innermost rings. No spacecraft had ever ventured there. It was a leap into the unknown. Scientists weren't sure if the gap was empty or filled with dangerous particles, but the chance for discovery was irresistible. Cassini's instruments worked overtime, capturing the ring's structure and Saturn's upper atmosphere in unprecedented detail. Each orbit brought Cassini closer to its final plunge, racing against time and gravity. The spacecraft scanned for surprises, tiny moonlets, icy propellers, and new features shaping the rings. These discoveries helped us understand how planetary rings form and evolve. In its final moments, Cassini used its antenna as a shield, transmitting data until the very end. It revealed the composition of Saturn's atmosphere right up to its last signal. Cassini burned up, becoming part of the planet it had studied so intimately. The grand finale was a scientific triumph, a brilliant burst of discovery at the mission's end. It answered old questions and sparked new mysteries. Cassini's final dive was not just an end, but a bold leap into the unknown. Its legacy is the wealth of secrets it uncovered in those last, daring moments. Cassini's grand finale reminds us the greatest discoveries often come at the very end. Saturn, from afar, appears calm and majestic, but Cassini revealed a world of wild activity. Winds roar at over 1,000 miles per hour, and storms can dwarf Earth itself. Cassini witnessed the Great White Spot, a massive storm that erupts every 30 years. Its cameras mapped Saturn's cloud layers, showing how heat from within drives its weather. The planet's atmosphere is a complex, layered dance of storms and serene beauty. At Saturn's north pole lies the mysterious hexagon, a six-sided jet stream larger than Earth. Cassini captured detailed images of this geometric wonder and the giant hurricane at its center. The stability of the hexagon remains a scientific puzzle. Cassini's final images showed Saturn's clouds in stunning detail, swirls, vortices, and sweeping jet streams. These images are both science and art, inviting us to marvel at Saturn's scale and beauty. Cassini brought this distant world to life, revealing its storms and serenity for all to see. Saturn's rings are its most iconic feature, but Cassini showed us their true complexity. The rings are made of countless particles of ice and rock, from dust grains to house-sized chunks. Cassini's close flybys revealed thousands of ringlets and constant activity within the rings. Small shepherd moons carve gaps and create sharp edges, keeping the rings in place. Cassini discovered propellers, disturbances caused by hidden moonlets, signatures of unseen objects. The rings are a living ecosystem shaped by gravity and motion. Cassini's data suggests the rings are relatively young, formed when a moon was torn apart by Saturn's gravity. This discovery changed our understanding of how ring systems form and evolve. In its final orbits, Cassini viewed the rings from above and below, capturing their shimmering, translucent beauty. Sunlight streaming through the rings cast dramatic shadows on Saturn's face. Cassini's legacy is revealing the rings as a place of profound complexity and ethereal beauty. The rings are not just a halo, they are a cosmic dance of ice and dust. Cassini transformed our view of Saturn's most famous feature forever. Saturn is surrounded by a family of over 80 moons, each with its own story. Before Cassini, most were just faint dots. Now they're real worlds. Cassini's close flybys revealed the diversity of these moons, from cratered mimas to two-toned iapetus. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is shrouded in haze but has rivers and lakes of liquid methane. The Huygens probe landed on Titan, revealing a landscape eerily similar to Earth's. Enceladus, a tiny icy moon, stunned scientists with plumes of water vapour erupting from its south pole. Cassini flew through these plumes, finding water, salts and organic molecules, ingredients for life. Beneath Enceladus's ice lies a global ocean, making it a prime candidate in the search for life. Cassini also revealed moons like Pan and Atlas, with their strange shapes, and mapped the ancient surfaces of Tethys, Dione and Rhea. Each moon is a time capsule, preserving clues to the solar system's past. Cassini's exploration opened a new realm of worlds for future discovery. The Saturn system is a laboratory of surprises and possibilities. Cassini turned distant dots into destinations, forever changing our view of Saturn's moons. Cassini was more than a sightseeing mission. It revolutionized planetary science. It revealed that the outer solar system is dynamic, with storms, active moons and shifting rings. Cassini's discoveries rewrote textbooks, especially the finding of a liquid water ocean on Enceladus. This expanded the search for life beyond the traditional habitable zone, showing that internal heat can create habitable environments far from the sun. Cassini deepened our understanding of planetary rings, showing how they form and evolve. The rings act as a miniature model of planet formation, with shepherd moons and propellers shaping their structure. Cassini's data is a treasure trove, over 635 gigabytes and nearly 500,000 images. Scientists are still making new discoveries from its data. Cassini answered many questions but raised even more. What causes Saturn's hexagon? Is there life on Enceladus? The mission laid the groundwork for future exploration. Cassini's legacy is a new perspective on our place in the cosmos. Cassini's story is one of human curiosity and the drive to explore. For 13 years it was our eyes and ears in a distant world, revealing beauty and wonder. Its peaceful mission united nations and inspired a new generation of explorers. Cassini's images and discoveries continue to spark imagination and scientific inquiry. Its final plunge was a celebration of achievement, not an end. Cassini's legacy is the sense of wonder it instilled in us all. Future missions will follow in its path, searching for life and new mysteries on Titan and Enceladus. The spirit of exploration lives on. Cassini has passed the torch. The universe is vast, and Cassini showed us it's full of wonders waiting to be found. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember the silent explorers who bring the cosmos closer to home.